Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Today we got a beautiful 1969 442, very rare color combo, silver, blue, and platinum blue convertible top, powered top, absolutely beautiful. We're doing this video today so you can make a great buying decision and investment. We carry 100% feedback on eBay, and we offer these videos free of charge to you so you can make a great buying decisions, not like our competitors that charge for them. Come on up, let's take a look, and we'll take you for a ride. This has a numbers matching 400 3¼ horse motor, extremely rare color coded car, factory AC, just a drop dead gorgeous car. Don't miss out on this. This is a great investment. It has power steering, air conditioning, power brakes, and it is a joy to drive. I'm going to drop the hood. We're going to take a look at the paint and take you for a ride. Car has a beautiful silver paint. Color-coded wheels, blue line tires, and just one stunning straight body over and over again. Don't forget, you can call Tom 7 days a week, 248-974-9513. This gorgeous 69 442 is not going to last. Let's pop open the trunk, take a look and see what's inside. Inside we have a beautiful spare tire, same to match the car. We got a beautiful picture of the car as well, and a very solid trunk pan. As you can see by our video, the power top works perfect. Chrome is beautiful, and don't miss out on this one. I love this car. Beautiful, clean, straight driving car. You can always call Tom for a buy it now at 248-974-9513. Because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Inside we have the beautiful blue interior, bucket seats, console, power top, absolutely gorgeous. Seat belts for everybody. Got an aftermarket AM, FM, CD, XM radio. You got two small little imperfections on the dash. Other than that, the car is beautiful inside as well. And you can see our pictures online of the undercarriage, which reflect the same thing on the car. beautiful 442 convertible on a beautiful day. This takes me back to my youth, cruising in these convertibles. Absolutely a gem to drive. One hand, drive straight, brakes awesome. Don't think of buying one that needs work, because you know what? You're going to bury yourself in it. You won't even be able to sell it for what you have in it. Call Tom today, 248-974-9513, and get a beauty like this already done. Already, somebody has spent their money on it in blood, sweat, and tears. This is just an awesome car to drive, awesome power. It is just too cool. Don't forget to go to VanguardMotorsales.com and become social subscribers on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, so you can see beautiful hot cars like this before they're offered to the public. And once again, if you're planning on buying a classic car, go to ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com and download the free report on 7 deadliest mistakes of buying a classic car online. Once again, my name is Tom Fotios, and we look forward to putting your dream in your driveway. Thanks again for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next pass at Vanguard Motor Sales.